The concept of self-domestication in animals, particularly
If you're making an apology, there are three questions that you want to be able to answer. The first is, do we tell the truth? And people want the company to tell the truth for two reasons. One is it gives them confidence that they know what went wrong, and so that means that they will presumably know what to fix. The other is that they want the company to be a truth-telling company so it can uncover the truth. The second is, on whose behalf are we acting? Is it clear that people understand that we understand that? And the third is, how do our actions benefit those people who trust us? So what is it that we're going to do in the future that's actually going to make people believe that we're going to fix the problem we created? And this is where all those facts matter, because if you've laid that out pretty clearly, then there is in fact a path to describe what it is that you're going to do. And so that action planning part is part of the apology too, because that gives you confidence that the company actually knows how to get from the current state to the future state where this kind of thing's not going to happen.
Well, actually, APEUNI, when they are mentioning that it is easy, I feel it is so hard. I don't know why, but it is usually happens like this. When the question is easy, it usually be hard. Let's try. Okay, I think I didn't catch a lot of words in this session, but at least I could rate you to 60 words. The lecture gives information about apology and its impact. Firstly, the speaker mentioned that it is matter. I think it would be better if I said it matters. No, it matters if we tell the truth or no. Moreover, she said that it is important to know what to fix and be comfortable with truth. But then she stated some facts related to future and people. In conclusion, apology and people were okay. I don't know actually if it is going to be great or no. I hope that I didn't make too much wrong. Let's submit and see. Bismillah. Oops. Why, man? Why? 1.6 for content. Actually, I mentioned almost everything, but why grammar? Or not? Okay, related to the future, where the no, it is needed. Comfortable with the truth. Okay, but it is too low actually. At least I can take one more here. Vocabulary. What is a vocabulary? Okay, man. Okay. 6.6. Only 6.6. You are kidding me. Okay, let's try another one and see what is going on. Thank you very much.